Most drivers make this mistake the first time they try to turn on fog lights. And here's what happens. You're driving in fog. You can't see anything. You try to turn on the fog lights and nothing happens. Why is that? There's one small detail that can make your fog lights not work at all. Let me show you how to turn on fog lights properly and what most people miss. To turn on the fog lights, the parking lights or low beam headlights must be on first. Otherwise, the fog lights will not turn on. This yellow symbol means your rear fog lights are on. Use them only in fog, heavy rain or snow. Otherwise, they can blind drivers behind you. Most vehicles have just one rear fog light, usually on the driver's side. To make it easier to tell apart from brake lights and improve visibility for other drivers, simple but important for safe driving. And this is your front fog light symbol. Front fog lights help you see better in fog, rain or snow. They light the road low and wide without blinding others. Front or rear fog lights are safety tools. If you don't want to miss a new videos, be sure to subscribe to the channel.